Hello everyone, welcome here. Today I'm going to solve one sample paper of 10th class CBSE. After completing this video, after watching this video, if you think that you have some doubts and you have some particular problems with the particular sentences or grammar part, you can write your questions and I will try to give your answers. It is English grammar. So I'm going to solve each and every question with explanation, and each question carries 1 mark. Actually, you will have to face 12 questions in grammar part in section B, and you will have to choose any 10 to solve to get 100% marks in grammar part. So I started solving and explaining. For example, first one is fill in the blank by choosing the correct option to complete an online update. The climate control comment by an activist blank on social media yesterday. So we have 4 options: blow up, blew up, is blown, will be blown. So if you look at this question carefully, we have an adverb that is yesterday. Yesterday represents to past time. So is blown, it is about present verb, so it is crossed. Will be, it is about future. So we have 2 options, blow up and blew up. So blow up is first verb form, so that's why it is regarding present. So only one option, blew up, that is right here. So you will have to see in the question whether it is regarding present, past or future. Second question, read the conversation between a doctor and his patient. Complete the sentence by reporting the patient's reply correctly. So this is direct, indirect or reported speech, you can see. So here the conversation, like doctor is saying, do you feel down from time to time, Mr. Gopalan? Patient, yes, I do not stay in good mood. Yes, I do not stay in a good mood. It means it is patient's regular activity. So regular situation, you can say. So for regular situation or activity we use present tense, simple present. The doctor, while trying to figure out his patient's ailment, asked about his well-being, to which the patient affirmed. So the patient replied or affirmed that, you will have to note down that I, it is first person pronoun, it will be changed according to patient, he or she. He, do, is it here, but according to subject you will have to choose helping verb. Does not, just writing is not good here, just you will have to see, you will have to check it, that he doesn't stay in a good mood. Rest part is same. We have used present verb form because it is general situation, it is usual that happens with that patient, so that's why we haven't used past tense, so we are using present tense. Now we come to third question. Select the correct option to fill in the blank for the given line from a health magazine. The advertisement read, if you smoke, statistically your story dash and 15% before it should. Now I just give you one trick. If you smoke, it is present, so the effect will be in future. Like if you smoke, statistically your story will end 15% before it should. So will is the correct answer. Now we come to fourth question. Select the option that identifies the error and supply the correction for the following line. Last week a child was not allowed to board the plane at Ranchi airport. You will have to check the mistake. Sometimes you will have to see mistakes can be with prepositions, articles, verb forms, adverbs or adjectives. These are main errors you will face in the exam. So last week a child was not allowed to board the plane. So if you check here, the mean to say it is article, Usually the we use when the noun is identified, we know about the noun or pronoun. But here toward the plane, the is a particular plane, but here it is generally talked about the plane, so that is not particular plane, so we will have to use a plane. So this is error. Fifth question, complete the given narrative by filling in the blank with the correct option. Again we have seventh, report the dialogue between a grandson and a grandfather by completing the sentence. In response to the question about his superheroes, grandfather says that. So you will have to check here, says that. So it is regarding present, says. So whatever verb you are going to use after that, that will not relate to past. So that's why your answer must be grandfather says that anyone who shows kindness and compassion to others. It will remain same, no change. Who we cannot change. So shows, it is regarding present, that we will have to use the present verb, so rest part is same. Seventh is done. So eighth, identify the error in the given sentence from a school magazine report and apply a correction. Again we have one error and a correction. In order to balancing the sentiments of the eagle, without wasting time I let you know, in order to balance here, not balancing. Usually in most of the cases we use first verb form after to, that is to infinitive. We have to say to infinitive, we say it. Bare infinitive and to infinitive come under non-finite verbs, so it is to infinitive, to balance. To balance is correction here. We come to ninth question. Sunil shared some information with Tariq about a holiday at sea. Report Tariq's question. Did you enjoy traveling by sea? So this is interrogative. Tariq is asking. So you will write Tariq. Tariq asked Sunil. Then Tariq asked Sunil. You will have to use if, because it is interrogative and it starts with helping verb did. It is in past, so that's why you will have to use had plus third form. But before that you will have to change noun or pronoun. We have pronoun here you, that will change according to object Sunil. So if he, did is already given, second verb form you can say, or you will have to use had plus third form, had traveled by sea. That is the right answer. Next one, 10th. Fill in the blank by choosing the correct option to complete the slogan by the Ministry of Child Welfare. We afford to neglect children. Think twice. So here you have blank before we. It is left here. Can we afford? Can mean to say do we have that chances or ability or possibility that we can afford to neglect children. Think twice. So can is the right answer here, modal verb. Next one, 11th, select the correct option to complete the narration of the dialogue between Latha and her father. Father is saying, why ask so many questions? Why ask so many questions, Latha? Why you ask? Latha, I believe that if you don't know the answer, keep asking till you do. Father asked Latha the reason for many questions he was asking. Latha claimed good humoredly that in event of not knowing the answer, one should. So we have again 4 options. So you will have to note it is modal verb. We will have to use first verb form unless or until we have be with that. So kept, it is second or third verb form, we can't use it. Cross it, kept, cross it. We have 2 options A and C. Keep asking till one does, one do. One, it is singular, obviously we use does, not do. So A is the right answer. Last question, 12th. Identify the error on a shop's hoarding and supply the correction for the following sales offer. Okay, Gumnam and Daughters Private Limited. It is from Vindapur, Jharkhand. Massive discount for all citizens Massive discount for all senior citizens vaccinated with the precautionary dose. So it is obvious here, a massive discount for all, it is plural, all senior citizens, not citizen. Citizen is when we talk about one citizen, so we talk about all. So there it is incorrect. So right answer is citizens. I hope you got all the questions and with explanation. So if you got them with explanation, kindly share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.